Let's make a bootable pendrive. Using Rufus. First, search for Rufus in any browser. Click on the first link. Now scroll down and click on .exe link to download. Go to your download folder. Now run the Rufus. Insert your pen drive and select device. Now select the ISO file. Check description. If you want to know how to download an ISO file, rename the volume label as you want. Now press Start. Click OK. The process has begun. It's gonna take time. Depend on your pen drive or device. Done. Bootable pendrive is ready. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.